Since 2012, Al-Hawa Foundation has been assisting the long-suffering, needy and displaced people of Syria. Children have been the most critically affected by the ongoing conflict within the region, and millions continue to suffer to this day. Susceptible to malnutrition and disease brought on by the poor sanitation infrastructure, these children currently face great risks of contracting illnesses such as pneumonia, hypothermia, and other respiratory infections due to the sub-zero temperatures and lack of basic items for winter survival. In order to provide the medical assistance these children most desperately need, Al-Hawa Foundation is supporting and appealing for Bab Al-Hawa Hospital in Syria. Located close to the Turkish border, the hospital consists of two major units, emergency and specialty, both of which operate to full capacity in order to cope with the increasing number of trauma cases, especially amongst children. The hospital's Paediatric department, which provides life-saving treatment free of charge to the children of Syria, has administered aid and support to almost 60,000 children since May 2015. Al-Hawa Foundation appeals to you now to donate so that the Paediatric department can continue providing free medical treatment to the long-suffering children of Syria. It is a matter of survival, of supporting the neediest, and of ensuring that these innocent lives have a future. Save lives now by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.